Creating a profitable online business, insider tips and tricks. Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have something special for all aspiring online entrepreneurs out there. We're going to share insider tips and tricks on creating a profitable online business. So, if you're ready to take your entrepreneurial journey to the next level, stay tuned. Let's start with how to finding your profitable niche. To establish a profitable online business, it is crucial to identify a niche that exhibits both high demand and low competition. By focusing on a specific audience, you can tailor your products or services to meet their distinct needs effectively. Begin by conducting thorough research using keyword tools to identify popular search terms and topics related to your potential niches. This will provide insights into the level of interest and competition within each niche. Additionally, explore online communities, forums, and social media groups to understand the discussions and preferences of your target audience. The key to finding a profitable niche is to identify an area where you can add significant value and differentiate yourself from competitors. Look for gaps or underserved areas within the market that you can fill with your expertise, unique perspective, or innovative solutions. By focusing on a niche with high demand and limited competition, you increase your chances of attracting a dedicated customer base and establishing yourself as an authority in that space. Remember, the process of finding a profitable niche may require experimentation and refinement. Stay open to feedback and adapt your offerings based on customer response and market trends. Continuously monitor the performance of your chosen niche and be willing to pivot if necessary. With thorough research, a deep understanding of your target audience, and a commitment to delivering value, you can find a profitable niche for your online business. The next one is building a solid brand. Building a solid brand is crucial for long-term prosperity. A strong brand necessitates a distinct identity, a unique value proposition, and consistent messaging across all platforms. To begin, create a memorable logo that encapsulates your brand's essence. Select a color scheme that resonates with your target audience, as colors can evoke specific emotions and perceptions. Additionally, craft compelling brand stories that connect with customers on an emotional level and convey your brand's values and purpose effectively. Consistency is key. Ensure that your brand messaging remains uniform across various channels, such as your website, social media profiles, and marketing materials. By establishing a robust brand presence, you will attract loyal customers who trust your business and differentiate yourself from competitors. A strong brand becomes a powerful asset, enhancing customer recognition, driving customer loyalty, and ultimately contributing to the long-term success of your business. Now let me discuss creating compelling content. Creating compelling content is crucial in the online realm. Generate valuable and captivating content that educates, entertains, or resolves issues for your specific audience. Whether it takes the form of blog posts, videos, or social media updates, strive to consistently deliver value. Integrate relevant keywords strategically to enhance your search engine rankings and expand your reach to a broader audience. Keep in mind that high-quality content not only establishes credibility but also attracts organic traffic to your business. Focus on addressing the needs and interests of your target audience and offer solutions or insights that resonate with them. Engage with your audience through comments, shares, and discussions to foster a sense of community and build relationships. By consistently delivering compelling content, you can position yourself as an authority in your industry and drive meaningful engagement with your audience. Moving to next one is effective marketing strategies. Implementing effective marketing strategies is crucial to promote your online business successfully. Harness the power of social media platforms, utilize email marketing, collaborate with influencers, and leverage paid advertising to connect with your target audience. Craft a well-rounded marketing plan that encompasses both online and offline strategies to maximize your reach and impact. Regularly monitor and evaluate the performance of your marketing efforts by analyzing data and gathering feedback. This will enable you to make informed adjustments and optimize your strategies for better results. Engage with your audience across different marketing channels, respond to their queries and feedback promptly, and build strong relationships with your customers. Additionally, consider exploring partnerships and collaborations with complementary businesses or industry influencers to expand your reach and enhance your brand's visibility. By employing effective marketing strategies and consistently refining your approach, you can increase brand awareness, drive customer engagement, and ultimately boost your online business's success. Last but not least, let's talk about monetizing your online business. The ultimate objective of establishing a profitable online business is to generate revenue. Explore diverse monetization strategies, such as selling products or services, engaging in affiliate marketing, featuring sponsored content, or creating digital products like ebooks or courses. By offering products or services, you can directly generate income through customer purchases. Consider joining affiliate programs, where you earn commissions by promoting and selling other companies' products. Sponsored content allows you to collaborate with brands and receive compensation for promoting their products or services. Alternatively, develop digital products like ebooks or courses that provide valuable knowledge or skills to customers, and monetize them by selling them online. Continuously experiment with different revenue streams and closely analyze their performance. Monitor customer demand, sales data, and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement and growth. Constantly optimize your business model to maximize profitability while consistently providing value to your customers. Remember, building a sustainable and profitable online business requires adaptability and a willingness to evolve with changing market dynamics. Congratulations! You now have a roadmap to create a profitable online business. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, dedication, and continuous learning. Stay committed to your goals, adapt to changes in the digital landscape, and always prioritize providing value to your audience. We hope these insider tips and tricks have inspired you to embark on your entrepreneurial journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.